Samish Island, everyone that moves here is very sensitive to, how gorgeous this place is. And we want to take care of it. And the best way to take care of it is to use the resources we have, solar, and to save it in a backup, and then use it as we need it.
So this is a 50 kW battery and an 8 kW solar array. It helps serve 3 homes plus the fire station here in Samish Island. I would say that to be our customer's clean energy partner of choice, it really does take a utility like PSE, a local leader like Chief Collins, and residents that are willing to think differently about how the energy system of the future is connected to the grid. When we pulled all 3 of those things together with 42 of our PSE teammates, this is what we're seeing. I mean, this is phenomenal, and the team should be incredibly proud of how this all came together.
I think it's really important we do all we can to help the environment going forward in the future. So this is one of the ways we're able to do that. Take the power when it's being generated during daylight time and save it for when we don't have quite the daylight. And the battery system is going to help us make that happen. So really appreciate PSE putting this in the system here in the community for the microgrid system.
It's very important for us to be able to respond in the middle of the night, to have our doors work and our lights go on so that we can get to our neighbors when they need us quickly. So we're very happy with this project and very much appreciate PSE investing in this project here on Samish Island.